I had these small mini muffin pans. I know it's been over 4 or 5 years. I was planning on giving them to my granddaughters and never did. So this is going in my declutter box. Hello friends, welcome on today's video. This is collaboration with my everyday wife life, Michelle, and she asked us to do our summer declutter one box challenge. Friends, I'm gonna start this challenge going through some things in my kitchen, and as I said earlier, I think I got this from my mom a while now. I'm not sure, but I never used it, and I meant to give them to my granddaughters, and I never did, guys. So here am I going through some things in the box, and I had a strainer, guys, a George Foreman grill I had for the last few years and didn't use, which I don't use now because I have an air fryer. Have a pots, pans, frying pan. I mean, I'm pretty sure some more stuff I can go through. A roast pan. I mean, guys, I just had to get rid of a lot of stuff. And here I added a DIY pillow I'm not using, and I found an old silverware tray I'm not using anymore. And I really was telling my husband this is on time because I was just talking to him about getting our house together so that no one don't have to come and clean up for us. God forbid if we get sick or something. So, you got to be careful, guys. You got to be wise about it. This is a comforter, a queen size I bought from Overstock. It's nice. It's still in good shape, but I'm not using it anymore. Here is one of my mirrors. I got 3 mirrors, but I don't need this one anymore. Here, guys, is my husband's shirt, and it's way too small, so I convinced him just let it go. This is a set of pillow shams, but I kept the comforter for the grandkids when they come over. This is a white blouse someone gave me. I'll let that go. This is something that someone gave me too. And I was just wearing that around the house. It was too colorful. This here was a kid's shirt. Nobody wanted it. And this was a sweater somebody gave me in a bag. I think I'm going to have to stop taking bags for people because a lot of those things don't work. Someone gave me this, and it's too big. And I'll be honest with you, the most things I have to declutter is clothes. And here's some jewelry. Some of it I never worn. It got to go. This here is one of my life application Bibles, and it's in good shape. And another book that someone gave me, and that's another thing I have to go through is books. And an old basket here, and some things someone gave me I never used. These things are not even open, but they're still good. So guys, tell me what things in your home that you really have to declutter. Like I said, mine is clothes. So the next thing y'all probably see me working on is the closet. Now these are so cute, guys. These little mason jobs, I love these, but I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. So I just said, well, you know what? Don't need to keep it. Maybe to bless somebody else. Now these shoes here, I used to love my little heels, but I don't wear heels like that no more. So I have to give them up. And I had another pair of silver shoes too. So I still got more shoes to go through. I'm going through a lot of stuff. Oh, this little church hat, guys. I've never worn it. Someone gave it to me, but I just can't be wearing them hats. It's too hot. So I said, you know what? Let me get this stuff out my closet. And I have some more shoes to go through. But I was trying to get through this challenge and go through some stuff quickly. So there is my box. And I actually did a box and a half. I already dropped off this one, and this morning I have another box. So Miss Michelle, thank you so much for this. And guys, I thank y'all so much for stopping by. And also, friends, there is a playlist, so please stop by Michelle's channel for the playlist and watch the others. I'm so excited to see what others have done. Thank y'all from Penny, and if this has motivated you, please don't hesitate to join. I thank y'all and have a blessed, prosperous day from Penny. Bye-bye.